Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to all of you in the virtual learning system of Pakistan International School, Taif. Assalamu alaikum. This is your science class, unit number 3, the senses. Today we will do exercise of unit number 3, page number 13, 14, 15, video number 9. I am Mrs. Kina Imtiaz. Okay students, open your book, page number 13. Exercise of unit number 3, the senses. Question number 1. Write the part of the body that is used for each of the 5 senses listed below. Choose the word from the box. Nose, ears, eyes, tongue, skin. Okay, these 5 senses, 5 sense organs are given in these boxes. You have to choose right word and then put in these blanks. Number 1, taste. Taste. In by which organ we can taste? So we will write here tongue. Okay. With the help of tongue, we can taste the food. Tongue. What is this? Tongue. 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 With the help of tongue, we can taste the food. Number 2, touch. Touch. Skin. With the help of skin, we can touch. Okay. Skin. S-K-I-N. Skin. S-K-I-N. Skin. Number 3, smell. Smell. We will write here nose. With the help of nose, we can smell flowers. N-O-S-E. Nose. Okay. N-O-S-E. Nose. Number 4, sight. Sight. How can you see? With the help of which body organ? Here will come eyes. Okay. Eyes. E-Y-E-S. Eyes. E-Y-E-S. Eyes. With the help of eyes, you can see. It is called sight. Okay. Now last one, hearing. Hearing. So how you can hear the sound? With the help of ears. With the help of ears. E-A-R-S. Ears. Okay. Now listen again. We choose the words from the box. Nose, ears, eyes, tongue, skin. According to sense, you have to write here name of the sense organ. Okay. Number 1, taste. How you can taste the food? With the help of tongue. Okay. So you will write here tongue. Now touch. How you can touch the wall? How you can touch the book? With the help of skin. Skin. S-K-I-N. Skin. Now number 3, smell. Smell. How you can smell the food? How you can smell the smell the flower? With the help of nose. With the help of Nose. 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 Number 4. Sight. What is this? Sight. Sight means how you can see things, how you can see colors. So you will write here eyes. Eyes. With the help of eyes, we can see. It is called sight. Now last one, hearing. Mean how you can listen with the help of ears. Okay, with the help of ears, you can listen sound. E-R-A-S. Ears. Understand? This is question number 1. Now question number 2. Your senses can save you from getting hurt. Which of your senses will warn you about these dangers? Okay. Number 1, fire. In this house you can see here fire. So here will come sight and smell. Sight and sight or smell. You can write also sight, you can write also smell. But first you have to write sight. If you can see, then you can see the fire and you will write here sight. But for blind persons, if any blind person cannot see but there is fire, then how he can understand? By smell, because we can smell also fire. There is a bad smell of fire. If a blind person or any, you are sitting in your house and outside there is a fire, then how you can understand? With the help of smell. So you can write here sight and sight or smell, anyone. Okay. Now B part, hot water. Hot water. Now which sense will warn you about this hot water? Touch. Touch. Okay. When you will touch it, then you can feel it is hot, it is cold, like this. But for hot water, when you will touch it, then you can understand. Okay. So touch, this sense will warn you about the hot water. Understand? Now number C. A bus on the road. If there is a bus on the road, then which sense will warn you about the bus? You can write here sight and hearing, but first preference should be sight. Okay, sight and hearing. Sight means we can see. We can see there is a bus on the road. Okay, if you are standing on the road, then bus is coming and you can see bus is coming, and then this sense will warn you about this danger. But for dumb persons, if any person, sorry, for blind person, if a blind person he cannot see, then what happen? He can listen the horn of the bus. So hearing for blind persons. Understand? Now number D. Number D. Stinging honey bees. You can write here smell. Okay. Why? Because a bee sting is a wound caused by the stinger from a bee, and bee sting differ from insects bite, and the toxin of stinging insects is quite different. When she releases a smell like bananas, and this smell attracts other bees come to the hive defense of the hive. So if you are stung, you should wear clothing before wearing it again. A smell. Okay, here will come smell. And again, number 1, a fire. What will come here? Sight or smell? Sight or smell? Smell for blind persons. Number B, hot water. Which sense will warn you? Touch. Here will come touch. Now number C, a bus road. Here will come, okay, and here also blind. Now, now listen again. Question number 1. Choose the word from the box. Taste. What will come here in this blank? Tongue. Number 2. Touch. What will come here? Skin. Number 3. Smell. What will come here? Nose. Number 4. Sight. What will come here? Eyes. Hearing. What will come here? Ears. Okay. Now question number 2. Your senses can save you from getting hurt. Which of your senses will warn you about these dangers? Fire. You can write smell or sight. In sight or smell. But if you want to write both, you can write hot water, touch. And number C, a bus on the road. You can write both sight or hearing. Number D, stinging honey bees. Smell. Okay, this is the right answer. Now, page number 14. Write below your favorite food. You can write according to you also. Okay. Number 1, food to taste. Which food do you like? You can write here. Otherwise, write ice cream. Okay. Food to taste. You can write ice cream. Thing to touch. Thing to touch. What will come here? Water. You can touch hot water. You can touch cold water. But you can write also your favorite, which thing to touch. You can write also your favorite food. You can write also your favorite thing to touch. Now number 3, thing to thing to smell. Flower. You can write also your favorite thing to smell, but if you don't want to write any other, then you can write flower. Now next one, sound to hear. Quran, recitation of Holy Quran. Okay. Now thing to see. What you want to see, you can write, but also you can write cartoon, because cartoon are most favorite for kids, for you. Okay. Now listen again. Number 1, food to taste. Which one? Ice cream. Ice cream. I-C-E, ice. C-R-E-A-M. Cream. Ice cream. Number 2, things to touch. Water. W-A-T-E-R. Water. Number 3, things to smell. Flower. F-L-O-W-E-R. Flower. Sound to hear. Quran. Recitation of Quran. Q-U-R-A-N. Quran. Okay. Thing to see. Thing to see. Cartoon. C-A-R-T-O-O-N. Cartoon. Okay. Now question number 4. What can you see? What can you see in your classroom? Write the names of any 3 things you can see. Okay, number 1. What you can see in your classroom is very easy. Book. Book. Now number 2. Chair. Chair. Number 3. Desk. But you can write any other things also. You can, because many things you can see in your classroom. Okay, you can write any other things. So number 1 is book. B-O-O-K, book. This is very easy. Chair. C-H-A-I-R, chair. Desk. D-E-S-K. S-K, desk. Okay, but also you can write whiteboard, pencil, bag, rubber, marker. Okay, you can write any other thing also. Now question number 5. What are people who cannot see, speak, or hear called? Okay, many times you have studied about these person. Now all of you should be understand about these person. Okay, first one, which person is this? Blind. Okay, because he cannot see. He cannot see, so he is a blind person. Now number 2, woman. She cannot speak. She cannot speak, so she is a dumb. She is a dumb. Now in the last picture you can see old man. He cannot listen, so he is a deaf. Okay, he is a deaf. Number 1, listen again. Blind. B-L-I-N-D. Blind means he cannot speak. Number 2, dumb means she cannot speak. D-U-M-B. Dumb. B is silent here. Okay, so it is a dumb. Last one, deaf means he cannot listen. Okay, he is a deaf. D-E-A-F. Deaf. Okay, now page number 15. Question number 6. Look at the pictures below and complete the sentences using the words in the boxes. Okay, words given here: hear, taste, smell, see, and feel. Okay, first read this sentence and look at this picture and then write here. I can dash the stars. What will come here? I can see. I can see the stars. So which sense is this? You can also you can say it sight. I can see the stars. S-E-E-C. Number 2, B. I can dash the teacher speaking. I can hear. I can hear the teacher speaking. H-E-A-R. Okay. Now number C. I dash hot. What will come here? I feel hot. I feel hot. Number D. I can ice cream. What you can do? I can taste ice cream. I can taste ice cream. T-A-S-T-E. Taste ice cream. I can smell the flowers. I can smell the flowers. Understand? Listen again. You have to write these words, given words in these blanks. Number 1, I can see the stars. I can see the stars. This is the fourth word in the box. I can see the stars. Number B, I can hear the sound. This is the first word. Okay. H-E-A-R. Now number C, I feel hot. I feel hot because in this picture you can see here there is a sun and he feel hot. So he is saying I feel hot. Number D, I can taste ice cream. What he is doing in this picture, he is eating ice cream. So he is saying I can taste ice cream. Now number E, I can smell flowers. You can see also in this picture what she is doing. She is smelling flowers. Okay, so she is saying I can smell the flowers. Understand? These three pages today, Alhamdulillah, we have done. So you have to learn all these blanks, all questions from question number 1 to 6. Understand? Now I want to give you assignment. You have to do this assignment. Which objects make a loud sound? Draw or paste pictures in your notebook, any five, because this question you have done many times, so you can do it easily. Okay. Number 2, which objects make a soft sound? Also, draw or paste pictures in your notebook, any five. These two questions you have to do. This is your assignment. Okay, just draw or paste pictures, any five loud sound, objects of loud sounds, and any five objects make a soft sound. Understand? Inshallah, I hope you will do. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz.